her like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed. Before you learn to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, I have heard your words. You said you love me like no other. I guess you must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist, like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette, then burned through that girl you kissed. Like I was just your last regret. Maybe she won't mind the ghosts you carry in your heavy hands, but I hope one night you see my face when you're trying hard to love again. So don't say her name, I carved it deep into the space you used to keep. The warmth I gave, the tears I hid, the version of me you dismissed. Hope she knows who paid the price for that girl you kissed, and every lie behind that night. Yeah, I was that girl you kissed, and the one you left behind. Morning light spills soft across the floor, coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view, now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love what you have, right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some made peace with an empty side. Told myself I was fine alone, even when almost every maybe, every door that closed on me let me hear without me knowing what it meant to be. You walked away, every second, every heartbreak, every tear that wouldn't fade led me to your arms that night. You were worth the fall, all the time I hit the bottom, all the nights I felt forgotten. Now I see it all so clear. Love showed up right here. You were worth the wait. I wore my doubt like a shadow. Let it follow everywhere. Built up walls out of questions no one could repair. Then you walked in like a sunrise, breaking through what I believed. And every piece I tried to hide, you could somehow see. If I'd met you back then, we would have slipped right through two unfinished stories, trying to make it true. The time was writing something better than I knew. Every broken moment was building me up. Yeah, you were worth the wait. Even on the nights I couldn't see what was waiting there for me. You were worth the wait.
Fragrance of fate ain't strong enough. Main time. Walking past the old bakery, morning light once caught your hair. The sense of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but can't help me through alleyways and memories sweet. Your presence lingers incomplete. The flower shop where you'd always pause still blooms with roses, jasmine, pine. But now each breath of summer air just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, while seasons change and pathways cross.